one priority that you want?
I'm going to echo both Khalid and Shehzad a little bit. One is on the education part and the other on the part. But I think, just to give you an example, one of the high-tech parks, Joshua, aamra was one of the first movers. You know, it was so interesting because the day the opening ceremony was, I made sure all the top guys in aamra went to Joshua. There was on video conference with PM, who was in Dhaka for the opening ceremony. And I took all my team. They were all talking on the plane. I could hear them in the back. Just doing this. You initiated by the government and just to have aamra part of it. That was the kind of attitude. And I told them after landing in Joshua that this Joshua operation of aamra is going to turn out to be one of the most important parts of our business. So they also, yes sir, I have to agree with you. Today, 1 year later, I have proven to all that actually Joshua, our operation Joshua High-Tech Park is one of the best. Why? Because one of the business reasons, the second submarine cable has come through Khulna and Joshua. So in terms of, I think, bandwidth or distribution of our bandwidth is proved to be very good. But much more than that is that we have tied up with JUST, which is the Joshua University for Science and Technology. 100% of our recruits in that organization are from Joshua. They're local boys and girls. And I can tell you, ladies and gentlemen, that every one of those out there are bending over backwards to make a difference or to be different, to come up the value chain, which is something rare because most of the, not that I'm undermining our staff in Dhaka, but a lot of our kids in Dhaka on a weekend, for example, by Thursday afternoon, they're already planning what they're going to do for the weekend. In Joshua, they're not doing that. They're the first to be in the office at 8 o'clock in the morning. They're struggling and really putting in extra hours to learn and to be equipped. So productivity-wise, they're doing fantastic. But on the flip side, cost to company is 40% less than if we had employed Dhaka. It's a 40% reduction. So when we are employing 100 people with an average take-home salary or even, let's say, 30,000 Dhaka, now you can do the mathematics yourself. So now my CFO and everything is, sir, what are the departments to Joshua? Now they're selling Joshua to me, where I have to sell Joshua internally. So it's all about, again, innovation, about how to use certain advantages. There are certain tax holidays in place also. So now our revenues in Joshua, it makes better sense for us to pump more revenues out of our Joshua operation. So it's all about being innovative and to find a solution. So my takeaway from here is that, my one takeaway from here is that for whenever we are putting a high-tech park, we must ensure that there is a proper science and technology university or some sort of training also in place, an incubator also in place to encourage entrepreneurs. All of that must come in hand because if 2041 we want to be a developed country, we have to run in parallel. There's no, we do this first and do that second. Everything has to run in parallel.
Thank you.